guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I am going to upload a video showing you how I made my Slimming World brownies. I don't know how I feel about them. They'll maybe grow on me. I think they are 1.5 cents each. I will link the recipe down below if you do want to try it out. It could be because of the egg that I couldn't put in. It could be I've underbaked it. I'm not sure. But I think it's been a bit of a fail. So if you want to see a disaster happening, then keep on watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So yes, that was my brownies, and I don't know what to say about them. I think I'll be trying a different recipe the next time, or maybe they would work better with an egg in it. I don't know, but they're a little bit strange. But at least I got to try, because I'd been wanting to try making sweet potato brownies for a long time, so I always try new things. Not everything is going to be perfect, but I like that about Slimming World, that you can try new recipes, and some of them are really good and turn out well. Just this time it happened not to, but it's fine. I will still probably eat them. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on